metal and wires. Now imagine muscle and skin. Imagine machines that heal themselves, swim, and, disturbingly, reproduce. What was once myth is now a lab reality. This is the story of bio-robotics, from cells to cyborgs, the dream, ancient automata. Long before silicon chips, humans invented the idea of artificial life. From Greek myths of Talos to automata in Baghdad and the ingenious mechanical designs of al-Jazari, 1206, the dream of constructing moving life has been with us for a millennium. Clockwork to steam, mechanical life, 1500 to 1900. By the Renaissance and Industrial Revolution, clockwork men and steam automata showed motion could be engineered. These were clever machines not alive, but they taught engineers the rules of movement, timing, and control. The word robot and the moral question, 1920s to 1950s. In 1920, the word robot entered culture through Karel Čapek's play R.U.R., and with it, a question that haunts us today. If we make life, are we responsible for it? Electronics, actuators, and the first industrial robots, 1950s to 1990s. The age of electronics produced the first industrial robots, metal arms that welded cars and automated factories. They were powerful, predictable, and lifeless. But engineers wanted more: supple movement, energy efficiency, and adaptability, qualities biology had already solved. Soft robotics and muscle actuators, 2000s to 2010s, researchers began building soft robots and even using living muscle as actuators. Biohybrid designs combined muscle tissue and 3D printed skeletons to create movement that felt, oddly, natural. Xenobots, living robots from cells, 2019 to 2023. Then came Xenobots, tiny living machines grown from frog cells that can move, carry payloads, and, in follow-up studies, even self-replicate by collecting loose cells. These are not machines built from metal. They are programmed biology. The discovery stunned scientists and opened a new field: programmable living systems. Anthrobots and human cell microbots, 2023. In 2023, teams used adult human tracheal cells to build tiny anthrobots, living assemblies that move and can encourage cells like neurons to grow. These steps flip the script. Now the building blocks can be human-derived. Biohybrid bipedal, functional robots, 2023 to 2025. Biohybrid research is scaling up. Engineers have demonstrated biohybrid bipedal robots powered by engineered skeletal muscle tissues and advanced fabrication methods, moving toward robots that can walk, grip, and interact with unpredictable environments more efficiently than rigid machines. These systems combine tissue engineering, 3D scaffolds, and electrical control. Living skin and sensory biology on robots. Researchers are now adding living skin and sensory layers. Collagen-based living skin can bend, heal, and sense touch. This turns robots from tools into biohybrids that bridge the gap between machine and organism, with implications for surgery training, prosthetics, and eerie questions about identity ethics, risks, and the road ahead. These advances bring huge promise: regenerative medicine, environmental cleanup, microsurgery, but also real risks. PNAS and other groups warn about governance, dual-use threats, and moral questions. What are the rights of living machines? How do we prevent misuse? The field needs rules as fast as it grows. From al-Jazari's automata to muscle-powered walkers and living microbots, robotics has cycled through art, industry, and now biology. We are building the tools that may redefine life itself, and that makes this a historic story. How we steward it will decide whether biorobots heal us or haunt us.